I'm Sana and welcome back to the Sublime Life YouTube channel and to our martyrdom series. Have you got open and large pores? Do you have acne prone skin? Do you want to switch to a lighter vitamin C formulation in this scorching heat? We have just the right product for you. Today we are going to be talking about the most lightweight vitamin C formulation, which is none other than Martyderm Proteus Liposamide. First and foremost, let's understand what a Martyderm Proteus Liposamide is. The Martyderm's unique formulation, which is super lightweight and oil-free. It has literally soft water-like texture for absolutely no greasiness. Now let's understand the ingredients, their benefits and what concerns they target. Let's talk about the first ingredient, which is glycolic-rich hazel. Now, are you someone who has open and large pores? We all know it's not possible to close them. What you can do is just minimize their appearance. Since these ampules contain glycolic-rich hazel, which is a mild estrogen, it helps to contract the tissue and reduce the appearance of those large pores. Now, since this ingredient has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties also, it's used in toners and mists for the same benefit. Also, this form of rich hazel is extracted minus any alcohol, which can cause stinging or allergic reaction. That's why this ampule is suitable for someone with acne-prone or sensitive skin too. Next ingredient I want to talk about is vitamin C. These ampules have 5% vitamin C, which is a perfect antioxidant for your skin. It helps to repair your skin, brighten your skin and improve your overall skin texture. Next, it contains 3% vegan proteoglycans. While this serum is ultra lightweight, proteoglycan makes it super hydrating. This ingredient can absorb up to 1000 times the volume of its own weight, just like hyaluronic acid, making it a great humidity. It gives you supple, plump skin minus all the greasiness. Lastly, these ampules contain vitamin E, which is great for someone with oily acne-prone skin, as it helps to regenerate the skin, protect against sun damage, and the best part, it helps to stabilize the vitamin C to protect its power and efficacy. Think of it as an oil that helps the engine do its job better. Now, let's talk about who is this meant for. Firstly, it's beginner friendly. So anyone looking to start their vitamin C journey can introduce this in their routine. Second, it's suitable for oily skin type as it's non-sticky at all. Third, it's also suitable for anyone with acne-prone skin type as it's antibacterial, non-greasy and won't clog your pores. Lastly, it's also suitable for people with sensitive skin type. A lot of vitamin C serums are formulated at a lower pH, which can cause irritation to sensitive skin type. But this one is formulated at a pH of 5.5 and uses a much milder concentrated derivative of vitamin C, which is not L-ascorbic acid, to avoid any irritation, redness or inflammation. However, if you're someone who feels that your skin is overly sensitized, it's better to do a patch. Now these ampules come in a pack of 5 ampules and 30 ampules. You can use one each day and use it both in your AM and PM routine. Also, please don't forget to use SPF after using it in your AM. So I hope this video helps. If you have any further questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments box below. Also, please do like, share, subscribe to our video. Thank you.